All right, lads, let's talk about the dyno results. All right. Now, the dyno results shows on the Mustang dyno at let's see, at wheel power 421 and wheel torque is 423. Okay. I will have this in the end of the video so you guys can see it, but basically what I actually thought happened is on the bottom in green it says estimated dyno jet power 483. So that I thought that was the dyno, the Mustang dyno at 483. So I was thinking to myself, okay, so if that was correct, then I did some calculations. Dyno jet 8 to 10% supposedly high reading in horsepower, and calculated somewhere, you know, in the range of like 510, 520 wheel horsepower, but that actually is not the case. The true numbers are 423 for the torque and 421 for the horsepower. Obviously dyno jet little bit higher readings, but that is on the wheels and it's all-wheel drive, so we have quite a bit of horsepower loss during the drivetrain. So technically it is in the 500s or maybe a little bit over 500 horsepower at the crank. So with the modes that supports this horsepower is the turbos, the intake, high flow cat and intercooler, right? The only limitation according to the tuner at this point is two things. The bottom end of the motor, so basically the connecting rods, they're forged steel, so they're kind of the weakest link, but the pistons come from factory as forged, so obviously you can push more power, but connecting rods are not so tough. Second thing is fuel. I'm running here in Atlanta, which is the premium, I don't know, that 98, 95 octane, and the tuner actually told me to put 3 to 4 gallons of E85 and the rest fill it up with premium. That would put me around E30, and actually I did that the other day and the car seems to be running good. Plenty of pull, the car runs really good. So I will set some times in Draghi or something like that soon, which I don't have it. I need to purchase that. Once I do, I'm gonna upload some numbers and see where we stand. But before I do that, I need to take a look at another possible issue, which is when I press the brake and the gas at the same time, and I boost it a little bit, right? Brake boost, and when I let go, I hear a thump in the back. So I don't know if it's a differential bushing or the drive shaft, whatever the hell the name is, now the bushing there, right? So I don't know if something's wrong around that area, so I want to eliminate that thump sound. So obviously there is a movement, I guess somewhere in the back, so either differential or somewhere within the drive shaft. So once I get that figured out, so obviously I'm going to document it, we're going to fix it, we're going to use the Draghi, we're going to see how long it takes 0 to 60 or a quarter mile. We'll find some place and safely get those numbers, and yeah, that's it. And without the further ado, here is the clip of the tuning, and enjoy. This is the first run. They just backed up the software. I'm not sure if they did any changes or not, but this is one of the first runs. So we had one of the charge pipes came off. We had a boost leak. We just fixed it, and this is the third run.